Hello and welcome. You will learn what is Affilorama and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, and what about benefits. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Promote 1,000s of products and services as an affiliate and make money online. Affilorama will teach you how to do that. Sign up for a free Affilorama account and get started right now. It's free. Internet affiliate marketing is identified as being a very easy work to perform. However, the fact is that it's more complicated than you can imagine, and if you don't take the proper actions and guidance when getting started, you may perhaps find yourself disappointed. But with Affilorama training products, you won't find yourself in such situations. Become a member of the #1 affiliate marketing training site on the web and find out the best opportunity of making money online. Affilorama free membership. Trust me, guys, you might be wondering, as this is a free membership, it isn't that good. But believe me, I should say that I'm quite impressed with Affilorama free membership because it offers a lot of things free of cost. In this free membership, you get approximately 20 hours of training videos, written materials, and the best part is that you will also be getting the interviews with other well-known and successful online marketers as well. Though this is a free membership, you are definitely going to learn something from this, though there are a couple of sales talks in the videos. That being said, they will be asking you to opt for a premium membership. It depends upon your personal preference. So now you might be wondering what this free membership covers. Let me tell you. Affilorama will be teaching all the basic things which an affiliate marketer should know, such as website building, the creation of content for PPC and search engine optimization as well. As a whole, it will be giving you a basic idea on how affiliate marketing works and also teaches you the initial setup. What you'll get with Affilorama membership. Number 1. Affiliate Marketing Quick Start Manual. How do you get started in affiliate marketing and how does it work? Is it even possible anymore? Affilorama will teach you the traps you should keep away from and the approaches to make lots of money as an affiliate marketer. Number 2. Downloadable Plan to Success. Overwhelmed? Have no idea about the best practice to make progress? This infographic makes it easier to look at what actions you should take next. Number 3. More than 120 video lessons. Ready to start? You'll get over 120 easy-to-follow training videos to show you how to construct your money-making online business. Affilorama Premium Products. Affilorama has 3 distinct products which cover certain area in affiliate marketing, and you should choose what suits your needs. Number 1. Affilo Blueprint. The easy-to-use formula for creating money-making affiliate websites. Easy step-by-step video tutorials to help you get started making money online. Number 2. Path to Passive. A content technique for affiliate websites that maximizes traffic, boosts sales, and results in an excellent passive income. Number 3. Affilo Jetpack. Niche research for locating money-making niches has been made for you, effective keywords, outstanding website content, and spectacular graphics. Now just assemble it, turn it on, and start making money. Benefits. Affiliate Marketing Training. Affilorama is based entirely on affiliate marketing. It educates all participant members the right way to create their affiliate website to make money off it systematically. Newbie-friendly, Affilorama training program was developed with the beginners in mind. This system comes complete with solutions which enables a newbie to grab almost everything required to go through affiliate marketing and bring in reliable revenue which will continue for a long time, not only something that works one time and stop working after a while. Clear and straightforward. Once you obtain the Affilorama training program, you'll be provided with the essential practical information to take your first action in your new career. It is simple, easy, and straight to the point. Get access to the community forum. The community forum that is included with this training program significantly works as a good help and support platform, where all members can easily get in touch with each other and fix issues together with each other. It's one of the most popular affiliate forums on the internet. Progress Tracker. The training program comes with a virtual training handbook which allows for members to keep track of their training and record the various components that has already been learned, to protect yourself from distress and steady recorded improvement. More than 120 helpful tutorials. This course comes with more than 120 tutorials. These lessons covers all aspects of affiliate marketing, starting from website building, niche research, email marketing, and driving traffic. Pros: -75 free training videos. Legit business model. Hosting included for 1 year in some packages. 60-day money-back guarantee. Cons: low engagement. Questionable link building and content building ideas. Upsells. Creator not involved. Some outdated content. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your Affilorama today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.